Hi all. So in this video, I'm going to discuss today's weekly contest second problem. Problem is that string compression 3. So given a string word, compress it using the following algorithm. What is the algorithm? That we will given an empty, we will begin with an empty string conf. While word is not empty, use the following operation. Remove a maximum length of prefix of word made of a single character C, repeating at most 9 times. Append the length of the prefix followed by C to conf. Return the string conf. Okay. So what is the problem? Example like A, B, C, D, E. So A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So I have to compress this. How can I compress? Like they are saying that I will start with an empty string like conf. So I will just from prefix from word, I will can make at a one time I can remove maximum 9 character of same character at a time. Okay, so A is present only once, so I can remove only once one A. Next, so A is removed. Sorry. So next is B. B is present only once, so I can remove only once B. Next is only C, so it will be one C, then one D, then one E. Okay, so this will have a compressed. So one A, one B, one C, one D, one E. Got it? Now suppose we have what A, B, C, D, 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 E, E. Okay, so what will the compress string? So first I can remove A at a maximum to 2 because only 2 are present. We can remove maximum 9 character, but here actually 2 are present at consecutive locations. So I will remove this by 2A. I will come to B. So 1B, again 1C, then 3D are present. So I can remove this at a time. So 3D, 2E are present, 2E. Got it? So I will just start from left to right, and at a time I will check what is the how many numbers are present consecutively the same character, and if it is more than 9, then I will go to the next time. Otherwise, take in compress this, insert the number of count it's present and the character. Okay, so let's see the code. So I'm traversing the what initially I left pointer is I is equal to 0. So it will run till we are not reaching the end. So temporary it will be 0. How many times actually it present in the consecutively from starting I, and what is the character currently temp. Okay, so suppose it is A and count suppose it is 0 initially. So if I less than equal to not reach the end and current character is equal to the A, then I can actually compress this. And also there is one more condition that count should be less than 9. Then I can only maximum I can take is 9. So if it is 8, then I can only take if it's already 9, already reached 9. So I can't take this. So that time what I am increasing the count and also go to the next index. Okay. And after break condition break, then I will just push back into the answer. Answer mean com string. So what will be the string? The true string I will insert the first count, then the character. Got it? So I just making this as two string and also the character return, and at the end return this. It is actually simple, right? Just got the logic that I have to traverse, and also consecutively find the same character how many times it present, and also one more condition they have added that maximum 9 character I can remove at a time. So I am checking also one condition that count is less than 9 or not. Then I can only add or I can remove compress this. So what is the time state of this? So I am traversing this big of n. This also total will actually we are traversing each character only once. So time state will be big of n. Got it? Because if I is already increased here, so we are not traversing the again from the starting. Got it? So that's why total comes to big of n. Got it? Thank you.